we'll guide you through how to make Moody green in Lightroom. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click Adobe Lightroom on your PC to begin editing the photo. Once Lightroom is launched, import the photo you want to edit into the application. After the photo has been imported successfully, select the image from the Library module to prepare it for editing. Next, click the Develop module to access the editing workspace and all available adjustment tools. When the Develop module opens, locate and open the Basic panel to begin making the primary image adjustments. Reduce the exposure slightly to create a darker atmosphere and give the image a more dramatic appearance. Adjust the exposure carefully until the photo looks slightly underexposed while still preserving important details. After adjusting the exposure, reduce the highlights to soften the brightest parts of the image and prevent overly bright areas from distracting from the overall mood. Once the basic lighting adjustments are complete, open the HSL/color panel to begin refining the color tones. Increase the green saturation to make the green colors appear richer and more noticeable throughout the image. After increasing the saturation, shift the green hue toward teal to create a cooler and more cinematic green appearance. Continue by reducing the yellow saturation to minimize unwanted warm tones and allow the green color palette to become more dominant. Open the color grading panel to enhance the overall atmosphere of the image. Add a green tint to the shadows by adjusting the shadow color wheel until the darker areas of the photo take on a subtle green tone. Next, add a cool tone to the midtones by adjusting the midtone color wheel to introduce a soft blue or teal tint into the middle brightness range.